Are you stuck choosing between Perspective and Heyflow? Let's break it down. In today's video, we'll compare these two tools and help you decide which one is right for you. Both Perspective and Heyflow focus on enhancing user experience, but they do it in different ways. Perspective is all about creating engaging content. It helps you design interactive surveys and forms that capture user feedback effectively. With its user friendly interface, anyone can create visually appealing forms without needing coding skills. On the other hand, Hayflow focuses on building seamless customer journeys. It allows you to create interactive flows that guide users through a process, making it easy for them to understand what to do next. Its strength lies in automation and integration with other tools. Now, let's look at the key differences. While Perspective shines in content creation, Hayflow excels in guiding users through workflows. If you need to gather feedback, Perspective is your best bet. But if you want to streamline user interactions, Hayflow is the way to go. When it comes to features, Perspective offers customizable templates and analytics for tracking responses. Hayflow provides automation features and integration with popular platforms. Both tools are powerful, but they serve different purposes. In terms of pricing, both tools offer flexible plans. However, Hayflow tends to have more options for businesses looking for extensive automation. So, who should choose what? If you are focused on creating engaging forms and collecting user insights, go with Perspective. If your priority is guiding users through a process with automation, choose Hayflow. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.